Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's time for the May yarn giveaway. Yeah, if you were the April yarn giveaway winner, please get in touch with me through Facebook Messenger, Rebecca Schilling, or that Journey Chick on Instagram, or my email is down in the description of every one of my videos. So excited for the May giveaway? Yay, drum roll please. Okay, the first thing I am including in the giveaway is this a couple of these Eco Brights that I picked up at Michael's. Eco Brights yarn. This is loops and thread made from recycled plastic. How cool is that? And let me tell you, when I say that this stuff is soft, oh my God, it's beautiful. It does say you need to hand wash it in cold water. It's 100% recycled polyester, so you get a mint green and a pink, and this kind of popped out of the middle. It just kind of goes back in there like that, and there we go. So we got those two skeins. You're going to get a skein of Mandala. I love Lion Brand, you guys. You know I love my Lion Brand. This is Mandala yarn. It's a 3-weight, 590 yards of the Griffin. Look how pretty. You can do a lot of damage with that. I'm giving away another 590 yards of a 3-weight Mandala in the Genie color. So pretty, green and grays, really gorgeous. Also giving away 2 skeins of this Hobie yarn Amigo XL. Each skein is, it's 100% acrylic, 109 yards each. So a couple should be able to get you a nice little hat. And I can't believe I'm giving this away. Oh my God. Hot pink Amigo XL. Oh my God. Even on camera, it's like blinding. Yeah. So the green, the hot pink. And last but not least is this Lion Brand cotton blend, twisted cotton blend. This is in a navy and white, and it is a 5-weight. And there are 3 skeins. Each one is 98 yards. So you're getting close to 300 yards of this 5-weight. And you could do some damage with that, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the yarn giveaway. I'm also going to throw in a flexi loom for my loom knitting pals out there. This is the Skinny Flexi Loom for thin yarn, 48 links, 96 pegs. I love this thing all day long. I have a hat video tutorial that I put up on how to make a simple basic hat on using this skinny loom. So that is the May yarn giveaway. What do you have to do to get in on this giveaway? You have to subscribe to the channel. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. That's how I know you want to be entered. Leave a comment about whether you've ever tried loom knitting or not. Have you tried loom knitting? It's so relaxing. I just love it. And these flexi looms make it so much easier. So leave a comment. Tell me if you've tried loom knitting. Subscribe to the channel. Please share the video with your friends. Share this video with your friends. Have them leave a comment and enter the video so everybody has a chance to win. Yes, that's it. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment about whether you've ever tried loom knitting. So easy. And I will do the drawing. Let me get the calendar up. When am I going to do the drawing? I'm not going to wait as long as I was trying to wait to the last Wednesday of the month, but that seems like a long time away, right? You're like, yeah, right. Where's my calendar? Calendar. Where are you? Calendar. Here we go. Colander. Okay, today is May 4th. We will do this drawing on May 19th. How about that? So that gives you a good 2 weeks to get this thing shared with your friends, your family. Um, Subscribe to the channel. I have an amazing content. It's a little different than anything you may have ever seen. I do all kinds of crafts, loom knitting, crochet, diamond painting, and I collect yarn. I'm just going to say it right there. I collect yarn. I like to pay it forward and give some of it away. Um, and in my daily morning show, I describe live trials to you. I cover a live trial. I basically tell you what happened each day during the trial, what was the outcome, what was the sentence. So it's sort of true crime, but with a twist. So anyway, that's the channel. Hope you enjoy. Good luck. And don't forget, subscribe, share with a friend or family member, and leave a comment about whether you've ever tried loom knitting. So I will see you guys later on the 19th. Bye.